Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to practice reading using basic sentences. Reading is a wonderful way to learn new words and understand how sentences are put together. It helps us communicate better and enjoy amazing stories.
I love the purple flower. Let's read it again. I love the purple flower. I love the pink lips. Let's read it again. I love the pink lips. I love the blue balloon. Let's read it again. I love the blue balloon. It is a green frog. Let's read it again. It is a green frog. It is a green turtle. Let's read it again. It is a green turtle. Let's read. Dogs can be brown. Let's read it again. Dogs can be brown. Let's read. Cats can be brown. Let's read it again. Cats can be brown. Let's read. Elephants are gray. Let's read it again. Elephants are gray. Let's read. Dolphins are gray. Let's read it again. Dolphins are gray. Let's read. Are the crayons blue? Let's read it again. Are the crayons blue? This is a black spider. Let's read it again. This is a black spider. This is a black bat. Let's read it again. This is a black bat. I love the purple shoes. Let's read it again. I love the purple shoes. Let's read. Are the birds blue? Let's read it again. Are the birds blue? We see a white igloo. Let's read it again. We see a white igloo. I have a yellow banana. Let's read it again. I have a yellow banana. I have a yellow flower. Let's read it again. I have a yellow flower. Let's read. My carrot is orange. Let's read it again. My carrot is orange. Let's read. My pumpkin is orange. Let's read it again. My pumpkin is orange. Let's read. The apple is red. Let's read it again. The apple is red. We see a white sheep. Let's read it again. We see a white sheep. The lady bug is red. Let's read it again. The ladybug is red. Let's read. The crab is red. Let's read it again. The crab is red. I have a yellow chick. Let's read it again. I have a yellow chick.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.